So today I'm going to show you how to sow some seeds directly into the garden. So we're going to sow some annual flowers. These can be sown March to May. Assorted species of hardy annuals, dwarf and win special mix. So I'm going to do them in our bed along the back. So first of all, I've just cleared the area of any weeds, and now the weather's turning a bit warmer. If you've got your t-shirt on, the soil's feeling warm, we're away from frost, we're ready to go. So I've just made a nice clean area here, all nice. Sowing seeds direct is a great way just to get them in, and it's great to, some seeds need drills, and if we're doing seeds directly it's good to do like a curve, and that's a bit more natural drift. If you need a drill, just drill the fingers along just casually, about a finger's depth. There we go. I'm just going to pre-moisten the drill. Just using a sprinkler. And we have a look at our seeds. We've got an assortment of seeds. Just going to pinch, sprinkle, 2 lines, just happily sprinkling along. It's going to come out nice all along the edge of the garden here. Just going to fill in this empty gap. All I'm going to do then is just push back the soil, firm it down, and we're going to give it another soak. There we go. Once the seedlings have grown, then we can thin them out, relocate them, and then we're going to get some flowers between June and September. So we're looking forward to that. If you're forgetful like me, there's a label. We could even use some sand or vermiculite just to make a little line, just to show where something's been planted. And that will remind me now that something's been planted along there. There we go. So let me know in the comments if you planted any seeds directly into the ground. We look forward to having some nice varieties of dwarf annual flowers all year round, easy to grow.